Hello humans, meet TCC, short for the Content Claw. It is a local-first AI content pipeline controlled through real application code and Slack operations. It collects source material, extracts the useful parts, creates script candidates, critiques them, waits for human approval, and then renders a video with local narration and sync subtitles. Basically, it is an AI content factory, not a game of roll the dice and hope this video makes sense. The workflow has clear stages: review gates, logs, and operator controls. You can talk to the Slack bot, run ops commands, check health, diagnose jobs, approve transcripts, reject bad outputs, and trigger controlled actions without giving the AI the keys to production. AI helps with summaries, drafts, critiques, and decisions. But it does not get root access. It does not press the big red button, because this is automation, not AI surrender. The pipeline is simple. Collect the source, extract the facts, generate the scripts, critique the weak ones, stop for approval, render the video, review it again, publish only when humans say yes, and learn from the result. The critic treats every week transcript like a production deployment on Friday afternoon. And the approval gate keeps the whole thing sane. No approval means no render, and no render means no surprise video escaping into the wild. So what is TCC? It is a safe, observable, local-first AI content automation system with a Slack-controlled ops layer. It helps you produce videos faster without handing the steering wheel to a hyper-caffeinated AI raccoon. TCC does the boring work. Humans keep control. The robots stay in their lane, where they belong.